How to remove birthday from Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to remove your birthday from Snapchat, it's a simple process. So let's go through it step by step. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat application on your mobile device, and you also have to log in if you haven't already. When you're on the main camera screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then click on the gear icon to access the settings. This will open settings menu where you can adjust various account settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled as birthday and tap on it. In the birthday section, you will see a toggle switch called birthday party. This option controls whether your birthday is visible to friends and whether birthday notifications are sent. To prevent Snapchat from celebrating your birthday, simply turn off this toggle by tapping on it. And once you do this, Snapchat will stop highlighting your birthday for your friends, and your astrological zodiac sign will no longer be displayed on your profile. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.